To fold the heart pattern into the cotton, begin by folding the shirt in half horizontally. Use a washable marker and draw half of a heart that begins and ends on the symmetrical line. Starting at the top part of the heart, begin fan folding along the line that you drew. Try to make the heart-shaped line into a straight line of fan folds. Make the folds go around the corner by making each fold a little bigger on the outside portion of the heart. Now use the artificial sinew to secure the folds. Wrap the string around the folds a couple of times to get it started. I like to place the string on either side of the line so that I can easily see the line when I'm coloring later. Once the folds that make up the heart pattern are secure, you can gather the remainder of the cotton into the naturally occurring fan folds that are already there, or by adding additional fan folds to this remaining part of the cotton. Either way, secure these remaining folds with the string so that it'll be easier to color later. You can always color your designs any way you want. In this case, I'm going to make the heart solid red. So I color all of the cotton on the inside of the line red. Then I outline the red heart with orange and then yellow on both sides. After that, I color the remainder of the shirt with turquoise. I make sure that the turquoise soaks deep into the cotton. This is because I'm going to add another layer of color on top. I lightly brush purple on top of all of the turquoise. Except notice that I leave some of the blue showing where the blue and the yellow meet. Once this side is finished, I flip the shirt over and repeat the process by adding the blue and then brushing on the purple.